Welcome to Business Top 5. If you're a small business owner looking to grow, thrive, and dominate the market, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll discuss the top 5 digital marketing strategies for small businesses that can transform your brand's online presence and help you achieve amazing results. Before we dive in, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our business growth strategies. And hey, don't forget to share this video with other entrepreneurs you know. Together, we can all succeed. Digital marketing is crucial for small businesses because it levels the playing field, allowing you to compete with larger companies. From social media marketing to email campaigns and SEO, these strategies can help you reach a wider audience, engage with customers, and drive sales. By implementing these strategies, you can build a strong online presence, foster customer loyalty, and ultimately, boost your bottom line. So, stay tuned as we break down each strategy and provide actionable tips to help you succeed in the digital landscape. Let's get started. Digital marketing is the use of online channels to promote and grow your business. It encompasses a variety of strategies including social media marketing, search engine optimization, email marketing, and content marketing. These components work together to help you reach a wider audience, engage with customers, and drive sales. For small businesses, digital marketing is crucial because it levels the playing field, allowing you to compete with larger brands. It offers cost-effective solutions that can deliver a higher return on investment, even with a modest budget. Understanding the components of digital marketing and how they work together is key to maximizing your efforts. Let's dive into the top 5 digital marketing strategies that can transform your business. Stick around until the end for a special resource that can help you take your marketing to the next level. Let's get started. First on the list is content marketing. Content is the king of digital marketing because it drives engagement, builds trust, and positions your brand as an authority. Research shows that businesses using content marketing see up to a 60% increase in traffic and engagement. It takes time and effort to see results. Pros: long-term traffic generation, builds brand authority and trust, enhances SEO rankings. Cons: time-intensive to create quality content, results are not immediate, requires consistency. Start by creating valuable blog posts, videos, infographics, and guides that answer your audience's questions or solve their problems. Tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush can help you discover trending topics. Consistency is key. A well-maintained blog or video series can drive organic traffic for months, even years. Don't forget, your content should lead to action. Include a strong call to action in every piece of content to guide readers to your products or services. Different types of content include blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, and social media posts. To create engaging content, understand your audience's interests and pain points. Use storytelling, visuals, and interactive elements. Examples of successful campaigns include Red Bull's extreme sports videos, HubSpot's educational blog, and GoPro's user-generated content. These campaigns show how creative and consistent content can significantly boost brand visibility and engagement. Social media is where the people are, and it's a powerful way to connect directly with your audience. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok each have their strengths. Facebook is great for community building and ads, Instagram excels in visual content, LinkedIn is ideal for B2B networking, and TikTok is perfect for viral, short-form videos. Social media marketing has an average success rate of 45% for small businesses. It's particularly effective for building brand awareness and engaging with your audience. Pros: cost-effective, direct interaction with customers, increases brand visibility. Cons: can be time-consuming to manage. Organic reach is limited without paid ads, requires frequent updates and monitoring. Use tools like Canva to create visually appealing posts and tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule your content. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, running polls, or even hosting live Q&A sessions. Remember, social media isn't just about selling, it's about building relationships. Share behind-the-scenes looks at your business, customer success stories, and industry tips. Video content is highly engaging. Create short, informative videos to capture attention. Infographics are great for sharing complex information in an easy-to-digest format. Share blog posts to drive traffic to your website and provide valuable content to your audience. Regularly analyze your social media metrics to understand what works and adjust your strategy accordingly. Did you know email marketing has one of the highest returns on investment in digital marketing? It's true. Email allows you to nurture relationships, promote your products, and keep your audience informed. Studies show that email marketing has an average ROI of 122%. Pros: high ROI, personalized communication, automation options available. Cons: requires an email list, risk of emails being marked as spam, content must be carefully crafted to maintain interest. Use platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact to manage your email lists and campaigns. Personalize your emails, include the recipient's name and tailor the content to their preferences. And don't spam. Send value-packed emails like exclusive discounts, helpful guides, or updates about your business. Best practices include segmenting your email list to target specific groups, using compelling subject lines, and ensuring mobile-friendly design. Tools like HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, and Sendinblue offer robust automation features to streamline your email marketing efforts. Effective email campaigns often include a clear call to action, engaging visuals, and valuable content that resonates with your audience. Let's dive into a comprehensive guide to SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO is about making your website more visible on search engines like Google. The higher you rank, the more traffic you'll attract. Studies indicate that businesses using effective SEO see an average of 53% of their website traffic coming from organic search. To be successful, Google must be able to build trust that you are an actual company and verify what your intent and expertise is. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual pages on your website. This includes using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and ensuring your site is mobile-friendly. Off-page SEO focuses on building backlinks from other reputable sites. This can be achieved through guest blogging, influencer outreach, and social media marketing. Keyword research is crucial. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, and SEMrush to find keywords that your audience is searching for. Focus on 3 key areas: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Use keywords that your audience is searching for and optimize your website's loading speed. Local SEO is especially important for small businesses. Claim your Google business profile and ensure your business information is accurate and up-to-date. Use tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console to track your performance and make data-driven decisions. Finally, we have pay-per-click advertising. PPC is a way to drive immediate traffic to your website by bidding on keywords. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads are great places to start. On average, businesses see a 200% ROI from PPC campaigns. Pros: immediate results, highly targeted, flexible budgeting. Cons: can be expensive if not managed properly, requires constant monitoring, clicks don't always convert to sales. With PPC, you only pay when someone clicks on your ad, making it cost-effective. Target your ads to specific demographics, locations, or even times of day. Track your results carefully and adjust your strategy based on what's working. PPC can be a game-changer for driving leads and sales. Different platforms offer unique advantages. Google Ads is great for search intent, while Facebook Ads excels in audience targeting. To create effective ads, focus on compelling headlines, clear calls to action, and eye-catching visuals. Optimize your ad spend by regularly reviewing performance metrics and adjusting bids and budgets accordingly. Continuously test different ad variations and strategies to find what works best for your business. And there you have it, the top 5 digital marketing strategies for small businesses. Let's recap: content marketing, 60% traffic increase; social media marketing, 45% success rate; email marketing, 122% ROI; search engine optimization, SEO, 53% organic traffic contribution; pay-per-click advertising, PPC, 200% ROI. Which of these strategies have you tried? What worked best for you? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your success stories. Visit businesslifelineservices.com for expert digital marketing help. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. Sometimes you need help from the experts. Visit businesslifelineservices.com today. Whether it's SEO, PPC, or crafting a winning content strategy, they can ensure you're getting the best ROI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your network. Let's help each other succeed in business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Business Top 5. For more in-depth resources, check out our recommended books and online courses on digital marketing. Now it's time to take action. Implement these strategies and watch your business grow. Remember, success in digital marketing comes from consistent effort and adaptation. Good luck.